What's good, YouTube? Finna be doing another POV drive for y'all, man. We starting at a little different spot right now. I'm headed on my way home right now, so I'm gonna try to get some good clips for y'all. Try to make this a good POV drive and a pretty good one. So yeah, man, car's already warmed up and everything, so we gonna do that. I'm gonna try a little something different today. I'm gonna drive on DCT, or I mean DSC off, the traction control fully off thing. I low-key been liking it. It's pretty cool because it lets off like 3 pops only instead of the like hella burbles. But I'll keep swapping it and stuff and check it out just to see. But let me put the windows a little bit down. This actually shifts a lot faster too in this mode, I think, is what they said. So it's pretty nice as well. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get some good clips for y'all. This. Man, I do not like having this whole thing on my head. God damn. last little pull for y'all. Then I'm gonna end the video here, but I appreciate y'all for watching. If you made it to this end, man, I appreciate y'all a lot. That's crazy. Hey, but yeah, man, I really hope y'all appreciate, y'all watch the video and y'all like the video. Let me know if y'all got any other ideas that y'all want me to do. I'm trying to bring some other content out too, going to like meets and stuff. I haven't got the car out too much just yet, but I do want to go get some like more content like that and stuff, and get some content with some other car people, but I don't know too many over here. That's why. But like, yeah, y'all just let me know anything else y'all would like to see, so I make good content for y'all, you know what I'm saying? But I do appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you. Hope y'all enjoy the video.